How to remix reels on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remix reels on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now click on the search icon, and for example I'm playing videos until I found a video I want to remix. For example, this one. All I need to do is click on those 3 points and click on the last option, which is remix this reel. Click on, wait a minute to screen being like this, and click on record, like record your reaction on the video, or you can upload a video. For example, I'm gonna record a video. And now click on preview, click on next, and you can now add a caption and edit this video and tag people, add a location, everything you want. If you are done, click on next and post this video. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.